The first smoke of the day billowed from the Sistine Chapel chimney at 5:53 p.m. Philippine time, and it's still black, which means still no new pope.
And now that we're waiting for the next voting for the day, and as we speak, more and more pilgrims are flocking to St. Peter's Square.
And all these devotees only have one question on their minds. How much longer until they see the next leader of the Catholic Church, and who might it be? So at this point, let's bring in News 5 correspondent Mon Gualvez. Mon is still there over at the Vatican monitoring things for us. What's the latest, Mon?
Hi ladies, currently talagang patuloy pa rin na dumarating yung mga pilgrims, mga Catholics dito sa paligid ng St. Peter's Square sa Vatican to witness personally if sino yung darating na magiging bagong Santo Papa na leader ng simbahang Katolika. And most of them has their own bets.
Occasional rains poured down on the devotees here at St. Peter's Square on the first day of the conclave. But they remain undaunted, making their way through thousands others who wanted to see for themselves who the next leader of the Catholic Church will be. Seagulls perching on the Sistine Chapel's roof near the chimney were a spectacle during the smoke watch. However, after more than 3 hours of waiting, black smoke billowed out of the chimney, indicating no cardinal got 2/3 votes from the college to become the next pope. Some onlookers couldn't hide their dismay at the result.
A little disappointed, I guess. But I couldn't tell if it was black or white, to be honest, because of how dark it is, but yeah.
I think that it is kind of disappointing because we waited, what's been, since 5 o'clock?
Yeah.
And they didn't decide, so waiting a long time is kind of disappointing to see the black smoke.
Others, though, remained hopeful and said they would return the following day, although they noted that it has indeed been a long wait.
Oh, it was long. It was a long wait. I think we got here at 5:45, and then I think we got to see the smoke at 9 p.m. So yeah.
On the second day of the conclave, more Catholics gathered here in the Vatican. Some even carried their country's flags. They admit they are hoping the next pope would be their compatriot.
We're looking forward na sana si Cardinal Tagle yung makuha nila. Alam naman natin yung mga Pinoy, very religious tayo, and I think is nasa buhay natin yung mga aral ng simbahan.
Even members of the international media had their own bets.
And currently, ladies, the cardinal electors are now at the Casa Santa Marta, taking their lunch and some few rest before they started another round of voting this 4 o'clock in the afternoon Vatican time. And then malalaman natin around 5:30 in the afternoon dito pa rin sa Vatican, oras na yan, kung magkakaroon ba ng white smoke at that time. Pero kung walang smoke at all na lalabas around 5:30 in the afternoon dito sa Vatican, alas 7 na yan ng gabi, umpisa nga abangan ng mga tao dito, which is 1 a.m. in the Philippines. At doon pagsasabayin na yung dalawang botohan na ginawa ng afternoon session.
So linawin lang natin, Mon, no? Because there's a bit of confusion. So with that smoke, that billow, that black smoke that came out from the Sistine Chapel's chimney, did that signify na 2 rounds of vote na ang nagawa nila kanina? Or isa lang?
Tama, tama. So there will be 4 rounds of voting or 4 voting per se, no? Yun yung 4 na schedule. Sa unang pagboto nila sa isang araw at wala pang naging resulta, ibig sabihin wala pang nakakuha ng 2/3 of votes, itatabi muna yung mga balotang yon at immediately they will do the voting again. And so yung lalabas na resulta naman sa pangalawang pagboto nila sa naturang araw, kung ito ay black, pagsasamahin na nila yung mga ballots into one at yun yung pauusukin nila dito sa chimney ng Sistine Chapel. So again, 4 rounds of voting pero twice lang makakakita ng usok dito sa chimney ng Sistine Chapel.
Ang tanong tuloy mo, no, kasi maraming nagulat na 2 times lang pala yung usok kasi na-expect natin every round may pausok pero hindi pala every session, morning and afternoon. So, what if kunwari magyari siya, theoretically speaking, on the 3rd round or yung first round ng afternoon session, hahantayin pa rin ba nila matapos yung pang 4th no session or biglaan na lang bang makikita natin na may usok nang lalabas doon sa chimney?
Siyempre,
Yes, kapag nangyari na 5:30 p.m., may usok na lumabas, ang tanging usok na lalabas lang dyan ay white. Nangyari ito during Pope Benedict. No? So on the 4th ballot, doon siya na-elect as the 265th Pope of the Catholic Church. No? So ito yung inaabangan. Kung may lalabas bang usok around 5:30 in the afternoon o wala. Kapag wala, it means walang nakakuha na naman ng 2/3 of votes at aabangan na lang ng gabi dito sa Vatican para sa 5th round ng pagbotohan nila dito sa conclave na nagaganap.
But there's so many people, talagang dinagsa ang square para sa mga nag-aabang sa usok.
Yes. Actually, ang sinasabi nila dito, talagang in-expect nila na this second day, mas dadami pa, no? Although yung nakikita nyo sa akin likuran kasi, bakit parang kaunti na? Dahil nga medyo mahaba pa yung oras, no? Bago mag 5:30 dito. It's just 2 o'clock in the afternoon here. So meron pang 3 hours para sila ay mag-ikot, mamasyal. Pero wala pa rin kasi kami nakikita ng mga nagka-camp out so far. Pero bigla nila dumadami yung tao kapag yun yung estimate time ng paglabas ng smoke. Napupuno na yan. Napupuno na to ng mga tao. Lalo na doon sa may pinaka St. Peter's Square. Ito kasi yung pinaka-kalye bago dyan sa St. Peter's Basilica. So, puno lahat yan. Kaya nga yung mga nakakalat na mga widescreen, ito na lamang yung pinaka nagiging sisilbi nilang mata para makita yung Sistine Chapel's chimney, kung anong usok yung ilalabas niyan. Pero may iba sinasabi, mas marami daw nung time na na-elect si Pope Francis. Although yun nga, in-anticipate ng karamihan na just 2 to 3 days tatagal itong conclave, kaya talagang they're expecting more people to come at kaya din naman na mas marami din yung mga security forces checking the area. Kasi talaga bawat entry points, may mga nag-i-inspeksyon ng mga bags. So hindi pwedeng dadaan at lulusot. Maraming mga harang dito papasok sa mismong Vatican or sa mismong mismong St. Peter's Square rather.
Well, it's only the second day and sana pala rin kayo dyan. Thank you so much. That was News 5 correspondent Mon Gualvez.